guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm giving you guys a glimpse of me working in my home office. I've recently purchased these curtains that better match my room versus the one I purchased at Walmart. These were too dark and I just didn't like the fabric of the blackout curtains, and so I'm going to return these to Amazon. But let me know what you guys think in the comments. Which one did you guys like better, the one from Amazon or the one from Walmart? So as you guys see, I just had temporary curtains that are pink that don't even go with the room, but I just needed something to cover my windows. And as you guys gonna see this transformation for my office, I have so much to do, but this is what we are starting with right now. These are the curtain hooks that I'll be using to attach to the curtains. And let me know, you guys, I was struggling on trying to find the perfect spacing in between the curtains so that it can have the I forget the name, I don't know how, it's kind of like folded, pleated, there you go, it's pleated. I was trying to go for more of a pleated look, but I just kind of gave up because what I was doing right now, putting these hooks where I saw these loops, it just didn't work. And so what I ended up doing was just folding the curtains like an accordion style and then adding the hooks on each of the spacings. Hopefully that made sense. I don't know, it was confusing for me as well. But yeah, so this week I just posted a couple of random clips just to show what I've been working on for the past 2 to 3 weeks in my home. My office being the space that I really wanted to get going because of the fact that I've spent a lot of time in there, and I wanted to make sure that the space really was functional for me. Because the drapes are heavier than the pink ones, I had to add a anchor into the drywall so that it could be more sturdy. So I had to do that for both of the rod holders. And as you guys can see now, I am now placing everything together, and you'll see how it just looks way more better with this specific linen type of fabric in this space. Yeah, so let me know in the comments, how your new year's going. Let me know some of the goals that you have set for yourself for this new year. What type of projects are you working on in your home, or you plan to work on in your home? I would love to know in the comments below. And don't worry, you guys, I know that this curtain is wrinkled, okay? Crinkle. But I just wanted to see how it looked, and I did borrow my mom's steamer to kind of get those wrinkles out of the drape, okay? So you guys get a full view of my office. You guys can see I just have so much clutter in there.
We gotta warm up
first. Y'all, I'm so embarrassed by posting this part of myself working out, but I wanted to truly be transparent. If I am creating this YouTube channel to, help inspire and motivate you, I want to make sure I give you a glimpse of the good, and for me, what would be the not so good part. So as you see here in the clip, I am warming up right now, and I wrote down the list of the exercises that I wanted to do. I'm really starting, I feel like, from the beginning, from zero. And this exercise that you see me doing is 30-second planks. And I couldn't even do 30 seconds. I think I did like 20 seconds the first time. Then it was like 18. I was just like, oh my gosh, I am really out of shape. But I wanted to kind of keep this in the video because I wanted to make sure that you guys can see this transformation. You guys see where I started, because you may have your weight loss journey going on right now, and you may feel as though, I'm not where I want to be, but you have to start from somewhere. And that is why I went ahead and included these clips. They don't really show a good part of me, but at the end of the day, I hope that this can inspire someone else to keep going. You fall, get back up, and keep going again. You're going to get better with time. Give yourself the grace, okay? So we fell off the bandwagon. Now it's trying to get back on the bandwagon, and it's going to definitely be a journey. So I just wanted to kind of show that in here. And that's pretty much all I'm gonna say for the vlog. I'll just let the music play and you guys can see the struggle. Sometimes we have to laugh at ourselves, right? We have to laugh at ourselves. You know, this is part of life. You know, this is the growing pains and everything like that. Towards the end of this vlog, you'll see me doing a quick breakfast with some eggs, some toast, avocado, and my morning coffee. And you'll just see that. And that's about it. And stay tuned for updates on my home office and also on my weight loss journey. I will share with you what my 30-day plan is going to be for the month of January. You'll see the workouts that I'll be doing, any exercise equipment that I have, because everything really is going to be done here in my home. I have a treadmill and I have some light weights, nothing too crazy, nothing too fancy. But I am here to show you that you can start with where you are. You don't have to have a gym membership unless you need to, unless you want to. But if you don't have access to a gym or you can't get out the house like that, which in my case I really can't, the home works just fine, okay? And y'all look at me doing these push-ups. Like, girl, what are you trying to do? Y'all, listen. We gonna get there, okay? We're gonna get there. So make sure y'all hit that subscribe button and like this video if this touched you in any way. And y'all be blessed, and I'll catch y'all on my next video, okay? Okay, I totally forgot I included this clip in this video. For those who do not know, I am a licensed hairstylist and I am working on converting my garage into my home salon studio. And so I was able to get a plumber. I'm so excited that I was able to meet him, and he came to my house. He quoted me a price to set up a temporary shampoo station. And so as you see here, I am just clearing out the space so that he can hook everything up. So on this wall, not this wall, the other wall, there's my washer and dryer hookup, and this particular wall right here, he's going to connect it there. So stay tuned for that renovation as well.